Hello student, I am Anjali Sinha, your geography teacher. We were discussing chapter 3 drainage. Today we will discuss the significance of rivers. Significance of rivers. Rivers have been fundamental importance throughout the human history. Water from the river is a basic natural resource essential for various human activities. The river banks have attracted settlers from ancient times. Rivers are also used for navigation since ancient times. Hydel power plants established on rivers are used to produce electricity. Rivers are used for irrigation, which is of great significance to a country like India, where agriculture is the major source of livelihood of the majority of its population. Sand and silt brought by river is extremely fertile and thus supports extensive agriculture in the region. River pollution. The growing domestic, municipal and industrial and agriculture demands for water from rivers naturally affect the quality of river water. As a result, more and more water is being drained out of the rivers, reducing their volume. On the other hand, a heavy load of untreated sewage and industrial effluents are emptied into the rivers. This affects not only the quality of water but also the self-cleansing capacity of the river. For example, given the adequate stream flow, the Ganga water is able to dilute and assimilate pollution load within 20 km of large city, but the increasing urbanization and industrialization do not allow it to happen, and the pollution level of many rivers has been rising. Concern over rising pollution in our river lead to the launching of various action plans to clean the rivers. National River Conservation Plan (NRCP). The activities of Ganga Action Plan (GAP) Phase 1, initiated in 1985, were declared closed on 31st March 2000. The stream communities of National River Conservation Authorities reviewed the progress of the GAP and necessary corrections on the basis of lessons learned and experience gained from GAP Phase 1. These have been applied to the major polluted rivers of the country under the National River Conservation Plan (NRCP). The Ganga Action Plan (GAP) Phase 2 has been merged with the NRCP. The expanded NRCP now covers 152 towns located along 27 interstate rivers in 16 states. Under this action plan, pollution abatement work are being taken up in 57 towns. A total of 215 schemes of pollution abatements have been sanctioned. For so far, 69 schemes have been completed under this action plan. 1 million liters of sewage is targeted to be intercepted, diverted, and treated. That's all for today. See you next time. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you.